Here's how to enable camera input for Roblox on your iPad. So first of all, you need to have the Roblox application installed on your device and launch it. Log into your account and then tap on the More icon from the left-hand side of the screen. Now tap on the gear icon, that is Settings. And from Settings, tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions, that is below the Security option. From the menu that appears, you'll get different options. From here, tap on Communication. Then tap on Camera Input, that is below the Voice Chat option. And make sure that the camera input toggle is turned on. Once it is enabled, you can use your camera to animate your avatar with your movement on your Roblox game. Remember that you can come back and turn this off anytime that you want. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.